In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem OpenTable points. To get started, open the OpenTable app on your phone or go to the OpenTable website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where your points have been collected since rewards are tied directly to that profile. If you have more than one account, it's worth double-checking before moving on so you don't end up looking at the wrong points balance. After you're logged in, look for the rewards section. In many cases, this is marked with a diamond icon, which makes it easier to spot. Tap or click that icon to open your rewards area. This is where OpenTable keeps track of the points you've earned and the rewards that may be available to you. Take a moment to review your balance so you know what options you can actually redeem right now. Next, open the Redeem page or the Rewards section where available offers are listed. You should see different reward choices based on your current points total. Browse through the options carefully and choose the reward you want to use. Depending on what's currently available, this might include something like dining credit or a gift card. When selecting a reward, pay close attention to the number of points required. This is important because rewards can vary in value, and you'll want to make sure you have enough points before confirming anything. Once you've chosen your reward type, review the details one more time. This helps you avoid redeeming the wrong option by mistake. If everything looks correct, continue to apply that reward at checkout, whether you're using it with a restaurant booking or during a qualifying reservation process. The exact layout may look a little different depending on whether you're on the app or the website, but the process follows the same idea. Select the reward and apply it during checkout where eligible. As soon as the redemption is completed, the points will be deducted immediately from your account. That means your updated points balance should reflect the change right away. It's a good idea to confirm that the reward has been applied successfully before finalizing anything, especially if you're expecting a credit or a specific gift card value. And that's it. That's how to redeem OpenTable points quickly and smoothly using the app or website.